Dakshineshwar Kali Temple is a famous Hindu temple located at Dakshineshwar, situated on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River. The temple was built in 1855 by Rani Rasmani, a philanthropist and a devotee of Ma Kali. The temple is also known for its association with Ramakrishna and Ma Sarda Devi. Lots of devotees around the world visit this holy place due to its spiritual importance. Approximately 500 numbers of encroachments were existing over the alignment. Shifting and rehabilitation of encroachments took almost 7 long years. On its journey to the temple, 1.9 kilometers of Belgaria Expressway was diverted to make space for the metro alignment, which includes dismantling of the existing Dunlop Road Bridge, which was another very challenging task, and successfully completed adopting innovative engineering solution using diamond wire saw cutting without affecting the normal traffic over BT road. Another big challenge was to divert the part of expressway coming very close to the existing residential building by ensuring the safety of the buildings, which was tackled by switching from the conventional road construction to viaduct construction for a length of 293 meter, for which night block of 6 hours on the running Belgaria Expressway for 14 days was required for the erection. Moreover, construction of Dakshineshwar and Badanagar station buildings was completed just by the side of the existing Sialdah New Delhi Rajdhani route by providing continuous piles, ensuring safety of the running traffic, and this was also very challenging task accomplished. By overcoming all these hurdles, the corridor is now ready for opening to commercial running of traffic. Two beautiful stations, Badanagar and Dakshineshwar, have been constructed, equipped with all state-of-the-art amenities for the convenience of commuters. Opening of this extended north-south corridor up to Dakshineshwar will open up a very convenient mode of transport from the entire city located in south and central Kolkata to Dakshineshwar Kali Temple and Belur Math, which attracts thousands of devotees and tourists from all over the country as well as suburban commuters visiting Kolkata. As part of a statutory requirement, Chief Commissioner of Railway Safety under Ministry of Civil Aviation conducted detailed inspection of the corridor, followed by a successful speed trial at a speed more than 80 kmph on 5th February 2021. The project has been implemented by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, a PSU under Ministry of Railways.